Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on wherever you're watching me from. So I have this set up on volatility 10 index that I want to share with you guys. Right, I want to share with you guys my thought process around the setup. So I'm going to give you guys a top-down analysis and the reason why I want to sell volatility 10 index. So let's go to volatility 10 index. Alright, so as you can see, for a very long while, volatility 10 index has been selling. It's been selling right from here and it has been on a downtrend. Right, so of course, when the market's on a downtrend, you should not be looking for opportunities to buy. Rather, you should be looking for opportunities to sell, isn't it? So right now, I'm looking for an opportunity to join this trend. The price reacted on my key level. This was on Thursday, and I'm expecting it to give me a lower low to continue this trend. So upon reaction on this key level on the daily, it has been giving me some bearish momentum, and then I've already confirmed on the higher time for which the daily time frame that price is on a bearish movement. So I'll go to the 4 hours and look out for a break of structure. Okay, so upon doing this is currently the recent break of structure which I marked out with this line. So if I go to the line chart, you see it clearly. This is a recent break of structure. Now, this was my key level. I marked out on the daily. Sorry, let me change this to line chart. So the key level I marked out on the daily, which is this level right here, this line, which is this line right here. Sorry guys. As soon as price reacted from this key level, started selling, started giving us series of lower lows and lower highs, right? So this was my first entry right here. So this is going to be my second entry. So what I'm waiting for now is confirmation. I'm waiting for candlestick confirmations. For candlestick confirmations. That's what I will use to go into this trade. I don't want to go use a pending order because of this reason I'm going to explain to you right now. Now on the daily, right? Price sold and it has reached it sold to this level. Support level. This is the overall target right here, right? But then we have a support level here that held price in the past. Now price has come back to that level. Let me zoom it so everybody can see clearly. Price sold back to that level and it rejected, right? So I want to be a bit conservative on this trade. I want to be careful. So what I want to do now, because of this price movements, right? This is the overall target. I want to wait for price to give me confirmation on the 4 hours. Not it could be on the 4 hours, it could be on the 2 hours, it could be on the 1 hour. So if I see a good confirmation, then I will go in for itself. So what kind of confirmation am I looking at for? I want price to give me a hammer. For those that don't know what a hammer is, I'll try to illustrate it so that everybody can understand. I want price to give me something like this on this level. Let me delete this. On this level, I want price to give me something like this. A hammer. Price to give me something like this. A bearish. Sorry guys. And then let's change the color of this to red. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Sorry. The hammer is wonderful. Okay, so I want price to give me something like this on this level, on this key level. If I see kind of confirmation, if I see this confirmation, this type of confirmation, then I'll go in for a sell at the close of this hammer. So I want you guys to watch out for it. At the close of this hammer, I'm going for a sell. and my target to be 1:3. At least 1:3. That will be my target. Alright guys, so this is what I'm currently looking out for. So for now, I'm going to sit on my hands and wait and see what price will do as soon as it gets to that level. But then volatility then is on a bearish momentum. Guys, you should not be thinking of buying volatility then. That would be a very huge financial mistake. Alright, so that will be all for now. This is my first trading review video for the day. Subsequently, I'll be keeping updates on this trade on my Telegram channel. As soon as I get the confirmation, I'll be sending the signal right to my Telegram channel. So if you've not joined my Telegram channel, the link is on the description box. Click on the link to take you directly to my Telegram channel. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos so that YouTube can recommend these videos to others. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you guys in the next one.